Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Minuto. I came into the shop because there was excessive leakage into the drip tray. This can typically happen, with age. Some gaskets begin to fail as they, get old and also covered in coffee debris. So ultimately, what that entails is replacing the drainage valve, the new one. So this is the old one. It has these 4 external gaskets and a couple more on the inside, and that's typically what leaks. And then we also cleaned the brew unit. We soaked it in detergent, and then we replaced the brew unit gasket and cleaned the shower screen. And then lastly, we descaled the machine. We just used the descaling cycle, and then it does that automatically and rinse it out. And now the machine should be back in working condition, making good coffee. So I'm just going to test the machine right here. If the user wants to change the settings however they like it, that's fine. But this is just to demonstrate that the machine is working as it should. So. All right, and there we have it. The cycle's complete, and we have ourselves a cup of espresso. All right, that's about it. Thank you for watching.